What's up, Moonward community? Alex here with your Crypto Pulse Flash update for October 13th, 2025. The Crypto Phoenix is rising from the ashes. Synthetix just exploded, plus 187%, while shorts are literally paying to hate Solana. That's right. We're witnessing the most expensive bearish positions in crypto history right after surviving the $19 billion liquidation apocalypse. Let's dive into what's happening and what it means for your portfolio in the next 12 hours. Bitcoin has surged plus 5.08% to 115,437, while Ethereum is up a massive plus 11.95% to 4,162. But the real star today is BNB, smashing a fresh all-time high at 1,302 with a plus 116.75% gain. But check this out. Synthetix has absolutely exploded, with a plus 187% surge to 1.76 as its perpetual futures platform gains serious institutional traction. We're talking $519 million in volume as DeFi proves it's not just alive, it's thriving after the crash. AI tokens are staging a dramatic comeback with Sky up an insane plus 342%, while the entire DeFi sector is up 187% led by that SNX breakout. Meanwhile, buybacks have captured 16.39% mindshare as projects deploy corporate-style defense strategies. More on that shortly. Here's where it gets really interesting. We're seeing extreme negative funding rates across major assets. Solana shorts are paying an incredible 2.9% daily just to maintain bearish positions. That's $290 per day for every $10,000 position, just to bet against a market that's recovering. This creates the perfect setup for a massive short squeeze if buying continues. Meanwhile, the Fear and Greed Index has cooled to a neutral 51.73 as survived the crash celebration. Narratives dominate social media. We've gone from apocalypse to Phoenix in just 72 hours. First major development, Synthetix's plus 187% explosion isn't just random. It's leading a DeFi renaissance as its perpetual futures platform on Ethereum mainnet gains serious institutional adoption. The protocol's offering multi-collateral margin trading with ETH, WSTETH, CBBTC, and SUSDE, while deflationary token burns reduced supply. Analysts are targeting $12 as multiple resistance levels have been broken with momentum. Next up, BNB has smashed a fresh all-time high above $1,300 as the entire BSC ecosystem shows explosive growth. We're talking $190 billion in monthly DEX volumes, 60 million active addresses, and $11 billion in stablecoin inflows. With institutional BNB ETF anticipation building. And finally, AI tokens are staging a massive comeback with Bit&Sora up 138.89% as the sector rotation accelerates from infrastructure back to speculative AI narratives. Let's talk about today's breaking developments. The DeFi renaissance isn't limited to just Synthetix, it's a sector-wide explosion as perpetual futures platforms gain serious institutional traction. Meanwhile, Aster has exploded plus 125.82% to 150 following a major Binance listing with USDT to USDC pairs and 0.03% fee perpetuals. It's already captured $1.78 billion in trading volume. The key takeaway? Post-liquidation survivors with real infrastructure are proving the resilience thesis, while buybacks mindshare at 16.39% suggests defensive positioning amid the recovery. Now for our depth charge analysis. Buyback programs have captured an unprecedented 16.39% mindshare as crypto adopts corporate-style financial engineering. This represents a major shift in crypto's maturation. Projects are prioritizing treasury-funded supply reduction over development, proving the sector is adopting traditional financial engineering practices rather than relying purely on speculation. Meanwhile, L1 infrastructure maintains 14.94% mindshare, proving foundational blockchain technology withstands liquidation stress tests better than speculative derivatives. The strategic implication? Corporate defense strategies are converging with selective infrastructure recovery as crypto matures from speculation toward traditional financial management and utility-based value accrual. Looking ahead, we have a 70% probability base case for an infrastructure-led selective recovery with short squeeze catalysts. Key support holds at 115K for Bitcoin, while key resistance sits at 121K, the short liquidation trigger level. Watch for negative funding rate normalization. That's our trigger for a potential explosive covering cascade. The extreme negative rates we're seeing now are creating unsustainable short costs. And don't forget, Moned's massive $12 billion airdrop claim portal opens tomorrow. This will be a critical test of market absorption capacity alongside $155 million in token unlocks this week, including Arbitrum's $92.65 million on token release on October 16th. So here's today's Crypto Pulse question. Are we witnessing crypto's ultimate maturation moment, where proven utility and financial engineering converge in this post-liquidation landscape? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button for twice daily Crypto Pulse updates, and join our Moonward Capital community for deeper analysis. This is Alex signing off until our next update in 12 hours. Stay ahead of the crowd.